John Dramani Mahama. Gaskiya ne. Yaro ya ji yunwa she zama
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka sem be say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mresi here.
Mahama. Gaskiya ne. Yaro ya ji yunwa she zama mahaukaci. Yaro ya ji yunwa she zama mahaukaci. Yaro ya ji yunwa she zama barawo. Ya zama amroba. Mu kuma ba mu so mu zama amroba. Saboda shi muna roƙon shi saboda Allah da Annabi. Yanda ya zo lokacin da yake neman sarauta. Nan ga muka ga mukin din masallaci ni Alhaji Muhammadu Foman ni na addu'a nan mun ka soma ni na addu'a nan mun ka tashi shi na kanshi yace muna kaman yazo muka masa muka vote mishi yazo power mu duka mun samu biyan bukata yanzu youth ba mu da aikin da muke yi ne aikin tabu kazo kai suke mu saboda shi da ka zo yi kai suke mu da wannan taimako mun kai muka taimaka hal ka zo power to yau gashi waɗansu mutane sun zo suna son su bata muna aikin nan su bata muna abincinmu ina za mu samu mu ciyar da yaranmu da matanmu baci in ka lord za ka bolga a tare ka lord za ka tamada a tare boko a tare jama'a zan tambaye ku boko ko timba bolga ko timba tamala ko timba navara ko timba bola ko timba tumwa ko timba wa ko timba to yaya saboda shi ba fara muke so ba mu abunci muke so inda suna so next 4 years 2028 mu saya dakin daka mu vote musu kamar inda muka vote musu na to wallahi su matallahi checkpoint abun da ya kama tun Techiman har zuwa Kurgungu a cire shi checkpoint abun da ya kama tun Techiman har zuwa Tumu a cire shi Golu a cire shi checkpoint ne
ma utirimu nya wo desa mankrofo atwa wo ahye ka bibia no mu didi atem saa no problem de bia maka che say wan kan me nsu abekan masere en MPP fo o kan se ma afi no mo hope o kan na nanka etiewa ade nti na wo se duru ho na mo kasa na nanka etiewa onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we President John Mahama wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey Onya we say ministries ni bi o hwan nioma bi o homu ye ni sedan ko onte say adwuma ni system ni mu onte President John Mahama onte say adwuma ni system ni mu o 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no onte dia no aka fa ho e fa flooding no dia no aka o minister for works and housing wada so tete ho e dia be pa no aya wutua ne ka but all these people are there Unko anu ukutwa humem. Me so ye president a ye be duodum. na extra kill na reality ni setina wodi ayene sa na after 2026 President John Dramani ma papa wodi ayene say ya na after 2026 Ghana fo nya wie pa ni ewura 2027 na obeka say nya Ghana fo ne toma no wodi market on the one me say wodi ayene say ya ne dada praise prima Mahama is a hope Mahama ye adwuma mafu soldiers ne nguso ankamfo mankrofo nya sa wo ye adwuma me say ma ye wie 2026 na ye wie 2027 pa obeti because abre no na ye politics sa abre no obi power 2 sa abre no na ase edu nketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabi mu ni nabusiafo o ma hye ase na no obonsa afei o 2 million na ase e chekofom na chekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa say adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehe enyoma na wo ka say wo be ye no e wehe over 14.1 million people nkofo mabu na omunye adwuma nye no o ye den
ato force na ye ato force ye no a all ka so any evidence o asem no can only evidence but na nia bere because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama bia mu ato force that number 1 enti mame ka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hinti ye mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu wa ban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1% bi no de amamu someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na ya ka wa bonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting me can say the power of our thumb tamuni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat you have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama who is the president of the land a Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic akra bi president na mo tia konwa so kra ya chat no responding e to da friend no crop fa and the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni as a busy wo wiase nyina ya de aso awo mo and attention hunu kwa no mo kreti abu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no any mo ye ni nyina e ye total disrespect to the president so president wo ho now what interest be crying to want me hide the kakrampo supporters is crying to me hide it ebi wa ha come wo ma that could be out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na was e kwaso no and people have relaxed and no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de omo pe hey masa
mo je na da no se mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yen because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains many will say here hospital and it goes on and no me say it is a Canadian you say na no me nyina be ya Ese ke scan kwa ka de wasa Butuu ni say oh I say wo say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem keke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yenketenkete ya adwen yenketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yenketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most people konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire ba John Dramani ma say o mema was come to Butuu one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e dey John Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
say dey ko ye kwa dey menu now to me hu letter bi a Y0uth for chro ye eba council of state member Butuu region na me say fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes. Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the paneboa.
Or since I am not. Listen for the first time. Nam one and quack baby aquadan and then I'm one. Yes. Not just say, was in Ukraine say, state institution, we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem in
economy no kwa na
problem in say, Papa or council of state member or company. To good a year before grab good board bebano no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as maintain one ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu Y0uth say osusi say nipa na sisi no Y0uth we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o me bo mo koi wa court Y0uth na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter, this is not a criminal because Y0uth we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual, and this is a civil matter already. No what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fed na afi the also by say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na wa my no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say Y0uth office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa. Me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know. What the very soon who recordings ABP. Very soon who recordings are ABP. And this state institutions are. Oh, on Sano Huno, no crash. I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my